Okay, next is solving equations by reduction method. Consider these three equations. We want to solve these equations. That is, we want to find out the value of x, y and z. First, converting into matrices form. Coefficient of x, y, z into the matrix x, y, z equal to the matrix 8, 11, 5. Now, once you converted the equation into the form ax equal to b, where this is a, x, b, ax equal to b. Now, we are reducing this matrix into a triangular form. That is, this is diagonal. We will convert either this triangle 0 or this triangle 0. So, we are converting all these three elements into 0. So, reducing this matrix into triangular form. So, here whatever changes we are making here, same changes we will make here also. Since we are doing changes on left side matrix, we will do row transformation. Otherwise also here no option, here only one column is there, no way of column transformation. So, our first aim is making these two 0. For making 2 into 0, 2 minus 1 into 2 is 0. So, we are doing R2 minus 2R1. That is, first row no change, x, y, z, first row no change. We are going to change this second row. That is, here also second row. We are going to do R2 minus 2R1. That is, this 1, 2, 1 will be 2R1 means this will be 2, 4, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 4, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 3. So, we have changed R2. Same changes we have to do here also. R2 minus 2R1. 11 minus 2 into 8. 11 minus 16 minus 5. So, here R2 will be minus 5. So, we have made out of this triangle, this point we made 0. Now, we are making this 3 into 0. Making 3 into 0, we will subtract 3 minus 1 into 3. That is R3 minus 3 into R1. R3 we are converting into R3 minus 3 R1. Same changes here also we will do R3 minus 3 R1. So, here this will be 3, 6, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 1, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Same changes here, R3 minus 3 R1. 5 minus 3 into 8. 5 minus 24. That is minus 19. Here last row minus 19. Our aim is making these 3 0. Out of these two 0 okay. Now we are to make this minus 7 into 0. First row no change, second row no change. Only here we are making changes for making this into 0. For making minus 7 to 0, we will subtract R3 minus 7 into R2. Then minus 7 minus of 7. Minus 7 plus 7 will be 0. So, we are doing R3 minus 7 R2. First row no change, here also first row no change. Second row no change, second row no change. Third row we are going to change R3 minus 7 R2. 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7 into 0. Minus 7 minus of 7. Minus 5 minus of 7 into 3. Minus 5 minus of minus 3 into 7. Minus 5 plus 21. 16. R3 minus 7 R2. 16. Here also R3 minus 7 R2. Minus 19 minus 7 into minus 5. Minus 19 plus 35. 16. So here last row is 16. Now we have reduced the matrix A into triangular matrix. Here 3 zeros we got. Now we can solve, we can multiply and we can solve. So we are multiplying first row into column, second row into column, third row into column. So 1, 2, 1 into x, y, z. X, 2y, z. X, 2y, z. Zero x minus 1y minus 3z. Minus 1y minus 3z. 0x, 0y, 16z. 16z. So LHS is entire two matrix we multiplied. LHS we got this matrix. RHS is 8 minus 5, 16. Okay, equating first element equal to first element, second element equal to second element, third element equal to third element. Okay, so here x plus 2y plus z. These are the three equations. Starting from here, 16z equal to 16. Therefore, z equal to 16 upon 16, 1. Substituting z equal to 1 here. Substituting in this equation, y and z. X plus 2y. 2 into 2 plus z. Z equal to 1 equal to 8. We have substituted y equal to 2 and z equal to 1 in this equation. That is x plus 5 equal to 8. X equal to 3.